How to add bot to Telegram group. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to add bot on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to add the bot to Telegram group, simply open the group that you want to add the bot. Just like this. Then tap on to the name of the group at the top, just right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find administrators, just right here. Now select it. Then the bot is always added as an admin, so tap on to add admin, just right here. Tap on it, then tap on to the search bar. Now one of the famous bot here is the Rose, so simply tap on to Rose, just like this. Then here you can find the bot right here, then select it. And after that, simply tap on to done right here, tap on it. Then now you can see the bot has been added. Now you can see the Rose bot will simply manage this group in the Telegram. And that's it. This is how you can add bot in the Telegram group. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.